the answer is fixed cost because all the jets, large and small, require the pilot and co-pilot, and cockpit personnel is fixed. Therefore, the passenger service is fixed cost. And the question B have two situations. If the airport charge landing fees by weight of the aircraft, and it is variable cost. Because if the jet carries additional pounds of cargo, the airline have to pay the additional fees. If the aircraft levy a fixed fee, regardless of weight, and it is fixed cost. Therefore, no matter what weight the jet carries, it has to pay same account of fees. The question C, the answer is variable cost. Larger aircraft and those carry heavier loads will consume relative or more fuel. If a jet carries additional pounds of cargo or the passenger, the airline must spend more on fuel.
Question number 2. Because the company produces when the marginal cost equals to the selling price, and the marginal cost will equal to the marginal revenue at the profit maximizing scale. So the shift among the 3 years will look like this. For question B, it is not a mistake at all because although the price is lower than the average total cost, so the revenue is negative, but the price is bigger than the average variable cost, so the producer surplus will be positive. For question C, the short-run break-even will happen when the price is less than the average variable cost. So the short-run break-even price for company K is less than the company. The long-run break-even will happen when the price is less than the average total cost. So the long-run break-even cost for company K is less than the company B.
Okay, question 3, problem A. This firm's average variable cost is minimized and current quantity level, which is 1,000. Okay, and their average variable cost is 90. But at this quantity level, their average total cost is 100. According to this graph, the average total cost, which is 100, is not the minimized average total cost. So I think this firm doesn't maximize its profit. If this firm wants to maximize its profit, it should increase its production level, quantity level, to lower their average total cost, so that they can increase their profit. Question 3, problem B. We know the average total cost is minimized at marginal cost equals to average total cost. Now the average total cost is 100, which is equal to its price. Okay, at this quantity level, the price equals to average total cost. Means that there is no profit for this company. As a monopoly company, their profit should not be zero, it should be positive. So I think this company doesn't maximize their profit either. To increase their profit, they should decrease their quantity level, which would increase the price and its average total cost. Although they increase their average total cost, but the price increased more significantly, so the profit will increase, which is this area.
Okay, and I'm going to talk about the question number 4. And for the question A, under the uniform pricing and the profit maximizing quantity is where the MR equals the marginal cost. and the quantity is 3,000. So referring to the figure where quantity is 3,000 and the price P on the demand curve must be the halfway between the 800 and the 4,000. Hence, the price equals 2,400, and the profit is 2,400 minus 800 times 3,000 equals 4.8 million. And if the situation is under the complete price discrimination and the seller should sell the quantity where the demand equals the marginal cost. So referring to the figure, the quantity is 6,000 and then the profit is the area of the triangle, which equals the 4,000 minus 800 and times 6,000 and divided by 2 equals 9.6 million. And for the question B, the Mercury airline maximizes its profit by producing the quantity where the buyer's marginal benefit equals Mercury's marginal cost. So if it's sold a larger quantity, so the marginal benefit is less than the marginal cost, then its profit will be lower. So by contrast, if it sold a smaller quantity, it could increase profit by selling more. And for question C, complete price discrimination will yield more profit than uniform pricing because it will attract a higher price from existing buyers and extend sales to new buyers who wouldn't be served under the uniform pricing.
So now it's my turn to introduce question number 5, and this is a situation in question number 5. Let's go analyze. If Moonlight Movies choose to release in December 11, Studio Luna will choose release in December 11 too, because the 200,000 is more than 150,000. And this in the same, if Moonlight Movies choose to in December 18th, the Studio Luna will choose to release in December 11. And now, if Studio Luna choose to release in December 11, Moonlight Movies will choose to in December 11 because 200,000 is more than 150,000. Now, if they choose December 18, Moonlight Movies choose December 11. So we can get the Nash equilibrium in December 11. And now we have new information in part B. Let's say each studio will sell 7,000 more tickets if both open in the same day. So if they both choose in December 11, they will get 207,000. And if they both release in December 18, they will get 170,000. And now we use the same method in part 8 that we will get the same equilibrium in December 11th. So that's the answer.